Short on time but serious about results. Today we've got 10 SlimSync meals you can make in 10 minutes or less. Fresh, bold, and perfect for busy professionals. Life is chaos, and your well-being is often the first thing to go. But eating well doesn't require hours in the kitchen. Just a bit of planning and the right ingredients. Today, we're ditching the excuses and reclaiming your health 10 minutes at a time. These aren't bland salads. This is vibrant, exciting cooking you'll actually crave. So, aprons on. Timers set. Let's see what you can create in less time than it takes to scroll your phone. Are you ready? Let's do this. First up, we're turning oyster mushrooms into elegant pan-seared scallops. Tear large oyster mushrooms into scallop-sized pieces. Don't slice. Tear for those rustic edges. Pat them dry. Moisture is the enemy of a good sear. Heat a pan on medium-high. Add a touch of olive oil, and lay the mushrooms flat side down. Season with salt and pepper, and don't crowd the pan. Let them sear undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes until golden. Flip, sear the other side for another minute, add a knob of butter for the last 30 seconds, basting the mushrooms. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Plate them up, meaty, savory, and restaurant-worthy in under 10 minutes. These bites are proof that plant-based can be pure luxury. Serve as a starter or over greens for a light meal. The texture and flavor will surprise you. No fancy equipment, no fuss, just simple, stunning food. Try this once, and you'll never look at mushrooms the same way again. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for impressing guests or treating yourself. 10 minutes, 1 pan, endless flavor. That's how you start a meal. Absolutely stunning. Next, a salad that's anything but boring. Our Freaky and Spring Herb Power Salad. Use pre-cooked or quick-cook Freaky for speed. It's nutty, chewy, and packed with protein. While it cooks, chop a mix of fresh mint, parsley, and dill. Don't hold back on the herbs. Toast sunflower and pumpkin seeds in a dry pan for a couple of minutes until fragrant. Fluff the warm freekeh. Toss with herbs and seeds. Dress with lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Toss well. Let the warm grains soak up all that flavor. Eat it warm or cool. It's perfect for lunch or meal prep. This salad is vibrant, filling, and full of texture. No limp lettuce, just bold, fresh ingredients. The toasted seeds add crunch. The herbs bring brightness. It's a meal that keeps you energized, not sluggish. Make a big batch and enjoy all week. Healthy eating doesn't get easier than this. 10 minutes, 1 bowl, endless possibilities. It's a salad you'll actually crave, packed with nutrition, bursting with flavor. This is smart, satisfying cooking. Try it once, and you'll never go back to boring salads. Beautiful. Time for fire and flavor, tempeh and pineapple skewers. Cube tempeh and pineapple to equal size. Flash marinade with soy sauce, maple syrup, and smoked paprika. Thread onto skewers, alternating tempeh and pineapple. Sear on a hot griddle or pan with a touch of oil. Let them char for a couple of minutes per side. Don't move them too soon. The pineapple caramelizes, the tempeh crisps up. In 6 minutes you've got smoky, sweet, and savory skewers. Serve hot, straight from the pan. It's fast food, but it's good food. Perfect for a quick dinner or party platter. The flavors are bold, the prep is minimal. No grill? No problem. Just use a pan. These skewers are a flavor explosion. Plant-based protein never tasted so good. Try them once, and you'll be hooked. 10 minutes, total satisfaction. That's how you do quick, healthy food. For something crisp and refreshing, try jicama mango tostadas. Slice peeled jicama into thin rounds for your shells. Dice ripe mango, red onion, cilantro, and chili for a sweet spicy salsa. Squeeze over lime juice and a pinch of salt. Mix gently. For crema, whisk Greek yogurt with lime juice and salt. Spoon salsa onto jicama slices. Drizzle with crema. No cooking, just pure, vibrant freshness. The crunch of jicama, the sweetness of mango, the heat of chili. It's a perfect bite. Ready in under 8 minutes. Great for snacks, parties, or a light meal. Healthy, hydrating, and full of color. You eat with your eyes first, and this is a feast. The lime crema cools the heat and ties it all together. No fuss, just assemble and enjoy. A work of art on a plate. Try it once, and you'll crave it all summer. 10 minutes, 0 cooking, maximum flavor. That's how you do fresh. Comfort food, fast, instant polenta cups with cherry tomato confit. Sauté cherry tomatoes and smashed garlic and olive oil with salt and herbs for 5 minutes until blistered. Meanwhile, cook instant polenta in boiling water or broth, whisking constantly for a few minutes until creamy. Stir in salt, pepper, and a spoonful of parmesan or nutritional yeast. Spoon polenta into cups, top with the jammy tomatoes and a drizzle of garlic oil. The combo of creamy polenta and sweet, tangy tomatoes is sensational, rustic, elegant, and ready in under 10 minutes. It's comfort food without the heaviness. Perfect for a quick lunch or cozy dinner. No fancy skills required, just simple, bold flavors. The tomatoes bring a burst of summer to every bite. Make extra for leftovers, you'll want more. 10 minutes, 2 pans, pure comfort. Try it once and you'll be hooked. Fast, healthy, and deeply satisfying. Incredible. For elegance in minutes, try smoked trout and watercress rye crisp. Flake smoked trout, mix with a little Greek yogurt, lemon juice, dill and black pepper. Layer watercress on a rye crisp bread, top with the trout mixture. Garnish with extra dill or pepper. No cooking, just assemble and enjoy. The peppery watercress cuts through the rich, smoky fish. Crunchy, creamy, and packed with protein. Perfect for lunch, snacks, or entertaining. It's sophisticated, but couldn't be simpler. 5 minutes, huge flavor. Healthy fats, lean protein, and fresh greens. A classic combo that always impresses. Try it once, and you'll make it again and again. Elegant, effortless, and delicious. Divine. Breakfast in minutes. Amaranth breakfast cups with citrus and ricotta. Pop amaranth in a dry pan like popcorn, just a tablespoon at a time. Supreme in orange or grapefruit for juicy, bitter-free segments. Mix ricotta with honey and a drop of vanilla for a creamy base. Layer ricotta, citrus, and popped amaranth in a glass or jar. Repeat layers, finishing with amaranth for crunch. It's protein-packed, zesty, and satisfying. The citrus wakes you up, the ricotta keeps you full. No sugar crash, just steady energy. Make it a head-for-grab-and-go mornings. It's a breakfast you'll look forward to. Light, creamy, and full of texture. 10 minutes, no excuses. Healthy, beautiful, and delicious. Start your day right. Try it once, and you'll never skip breakfast again. Sensational. Big, bold flavors. Spicy black bean and mango lettuce cups. Rinse canned black beans, mash half for texture. Mix with chipotle powder, cumin, hot sauce, lime juice, and salt. Adjust heat and acidity to taste. Add diced red pepper, onion, cilantro and mango for crunch and sweetness. Spoon into crisp lettuce leaves. Choose butter, iceberg, or little gem. Top with extra mango and veggies. No cooking, just assemble and eat. Smoky, spicy, sweet, and fresh in every bite. Perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Healthy, filling, and totally craveable. 10 minutes, endless flavor. Try it once and you'll be hooked. Fast, fresh, and satisfying. A party in your mouth. Delicious. Dive into umami, seaweed and edamame crunch salad. Rehydrate wakame seaweed in warm water for 5 minutes. Cook frozen edamame, then cool. Julienne cucumber and carrots for crunch. Whisk soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil and grated ginger for dressing. Toss seaweed, edamame, cucumber and carrot with dressing. Finish with toasted sesame seeds. It's vibrant, protein-packed, and mineral-rich. Refreshing, energizing, and full of texture. 5 minutes, no fuss. A modern, healthy salad you'll crave. Try it once, and you'll be hooked. Stunning. For a light, gorgeous finish, courgette ribbon and feta roll-ups. Use a peeler to make thin courgette ribbons. Mix crumbled feta, chopped mint, Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and pepper for filling. Spread filling on each ribbon, then roll up tightly. Arrange on a plate, spiral, side up. Drizzle with olive oil and extra mint. No cooking, just fresh, simple assembly. Perfect as a snack, appetizer, or light lunch. The salty feta and cool mint are a classic combo. Elegant, healthy, and satisfying. 10 minutes, endless freshness. Try it once and you'll make it again and again. Light, beautiful, and delicious. A perfect way to finish. Gorgeous. If these 10-minute SlimSync meals inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which one you'll try first. You've got 10 fast, delicious recipes. No more excuses. Healthy eating is now in your hands. Experiment, adapt, and make these dishes your own. Every meal is an investment in yourself. Get cooking, and enjoy the energy and confidence that comes from real food. Well done. Now go cook your heart out.